What's up everybody, it's Token Revolution bringing you the latest and best altcoins in the crypto world. Guys, today we're going to talk about Internet Computer, a coin here that is basically again exploding here and the price is just shooting upwards. So let's check out what Internet Computers is all about. But before we start guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Right now we're at 73,000 subscribers. Let's go to the 74,000 number. Without you guys, this channel just wouldn't even exist. So thank you so much for watching all of my videos. So let's go. Here we are on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, the market cap did increase here by 15%, but the volume did double basically. So we're at 57% up for the volume. As you can see, the coin has slowly been continuing to go up, which is pretty cool to see. The all-time high is still pretty far away, but you have to remember that this was because of Bitcoin, just because we were in a bullish market, but now because we were in a bearish market, basically the whole crypto world did go down. So now we're starting finally to climb back up again, and good things are happening to this coin. Imagine if this coin does reach its all-time high, that means this coin should be able to basically do I think it's an 8x. Yeah, it's about an 8x. So hopefully this coin will be able to do something like that. But we have to check out and see what this coin is all about. Of course, if you do want to check out the coin, have all these different exchanges. So Binance, Huobi Global, Coinbase. So we got KuCoin also, OKX, and so many different exchanges here. So pretty cool to see that this coin is listed on all the major exchanges here. So the all-time high, of course, we all know it was all the way. Oh yeah, this is insane. You can't even look at the all-time high, but it was almost. It says here at least it's $580. So right now we're at $62. So that means we'll still have a long way to go. So maybe even 9x. So 9x is 9x possible for this coin. So if we do measure some things, I want to first put a little bit more lines here to know what and where we need to go and where can we go. So basically the coin here did start to increase because of the new things happening, because of Bitcoin finally starting to go up. So as you can see here, basically this coin did increase in the end by 120% in the last 20 days here. We actually measure from here to here, you can see in the last 4 days it did increase by about 60%, but it was all the way here to 74%. So there you go. Right now it is stabilizing, but a really good thing that's happening to this coin is that it's basically stabilizing it the right way, where the 20 MA, if you look at this blue line, is basically hitting the graph here, right over here in this. Every time you just touch it, boom, it just go up. So what needs to happen now, we need to touch again, boom, go up again. So as you can see, every time we go up, the RSI is overbought basically, but once we do, people do sell a little bit here, basically you see that we do rebound again, boom, boom, boom. So what's happening here, this is pretty healthy in the end, because you can see the RSI is going back into this quadrant here. That's super important because it means it's not overbought yet. So in this area, it's just not overbought. So people are gonna start buying. People did buy, get some rejection, stabilization, boom. Now we could be seeing another one of these pumps. So what I think is going to happen, because Bitcoin and the whole crypto space is actually going up, I think that this coin should be able to also go up with Bitcoin and with the rest of the coins here. So good things are happening to crypto, because now we're entering, like I said, the bull cycle again. It looks like Bitcoin did hit basically $46,000, $46,300, almost even 400 here. But now, as you can see, we got a little bit rejected, but still this is just a huge sign that Bitcoin will continue to go like to 65 again, and that everything's going to be okay. We're gonna reach we're gonna reach the all-time high. We're going back to that all-time high. It's gonna be amazing to see. But of course, this coin also has a big chance to also continue to go up. Now, will it hit the all-time high? There is a chance, because like I said, it's a huge coin. These guys are hopefully having some big things happening by the end of this year, because I think the Bitcoin will be able to hit like 100K. So that means it's basically almost going to double its market cap, which should mean that maybe this coin will be able to double its market cap. We don't really know. We're going to see what's going to happen. Hopefully, if it does reach its all-time high, at least this coin, that means if you do buy the coin right now, you can do an 8 to 9x, which is pretty awesome. It's pretty even insane to see something like this. So yeah, I think this coin has a pretty much a good future, because this is like serious company, serious people behind it. But we're gonna see. This here is their website, so it does look super professional. This is a huge company that's really working the coin. It says blockchain singularity, so infinite blockchain that serves the web. The Definity Foundation is a major contributor to the internet computer. So start coding. Okay, internet computer network status operational. To update calls to S. Okay, block count 130 million here, blocks per second 20. No mechanism. Okay, canister smart chain. Canister smart contracts 3,500 here, so 1 gigabyte per month, 157,000 cycles. Internet computer ecosystem. So the internet computer blockchain launched very recently, but developer and entrepreneurial activity is already exploding as active users flock to emerging dApps and services built on the IC. Check out these examples. So Fleek, DSC, CVR, District, basically Origin, OpenChat, and so many others here. So people are interested into using the dApps here, using their infrastructure. So super cool to see. And all the rest of them, look at this. There's so many of them. So the Dfinity Foundation open source the internet computers. So see network code. We can check out the code later, but it says here how it works. So explore open source innovations of developers. Quick start. So start building on the internet computer. Developer grant program. Get a grant to build your internet computer project. Developer forums. So get answers to your hard technical questions. Free cycles. Get free cycles to power your dApps, and GitHub. See sample code to get started. So Makoto. Makoto is an open source programming language that supports advanced smart contract work and the production of scalable high performance dApps and decentralized services. It's a powerful tool for developers building on the internet computer blockchain. So there you go, they make their own like programming language here called Matoko. Yeah, it's Matoko actually. So super cool to see. Like I said, it's a huge company. If we do continue, it says Dfinity Foundation, 200 plus team members. Like I said, huge company here of programmers from all around the world. Just looks amazing. This is so cool. This here, the Dfinity Foundation is a non-for-profit organization developing technology for the intercomputer blockchain. We are headquarters in Switzerland and have major research centers in Switzerland and California, and remote teams in place such as Germany, the UK, and the US. Our team of cryptographers, computer scientists, and engineers have collectively earned nearly 100,000 academic citations. We aim to create a blockchain singularity in which every system and service is rebuilt and reimagined using smart contracts and runs entirely from infinite public blockchain without need for traditional IT. So there you go. It's super interesting to see. There's so many. Yeah, look at this. CoinDesk to talk about them. Bloomberg, The Telegraph, OK, CNBC, Bloomberg again. So many news outlets that talk about this coin. It says the community-led governance of the internet computer. So community 60%, Internet Computer Association 1.6%, and node provider 0.5%. The Dfinity Foundation. So this is how the governance works. So community is 60%. So community does actually have the majority of the vote here. So stake your ICP by creating voting and neurons in the network nervous system. So this is okay. This is super interesting. You check it out for yourself. Stay up to date on all things internet computer. Head to the Dfinity Internet Computer Developer Center. Okay. Like I said, you can check out the rest of the website here. There's still so many information, but let's check out their Twitter here, and then we're gonna do some price analysis too. So they have almost 250,000 followers, which is an awesome number. Just a lot of people are interested into this coin here, and basically the whole company. It says here, District app, the blockchain-based social platform built on the internet computer that aims to empower people to control their identity and data, has amassed 20,000 registered users. So awesome. District will allow users to connect, communicate, and share original content with each other while preserving ownership and control over their data and identity. You can sign up here for an account. So basically, nobody will be able to have access to your data but yourself. So that's super cool. It's super interesting, super cool to see that they're doing something like this. It says here, 1,400 developers are now coding on the internet computer through the Cycles Faucet in partnership with Fleek HQ, a 40% increase from last week. Okay. And new internet computer developers can redeem $100 in free cycles to get their first app deployed. This is interesting. It says here this week the Internet computer surpassed plus 120 million blocks generated. So block count has grown by an average of 45% week over week since then. It says the block count metric speaks to both the speed and capacity of the Internet computer. So there you go. This is super interesting that like I said, it's just a huge company that they're really working on the future of crypto here. They're really trying to be at the forefront here, and good things are happening. Just super interesting things are happening here. So super excited for the future of this coin here. But let's continue. In the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.